Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson from Mounts Automotive today at a 2017 Chevy Silverado. This truck is four-wheel drive, super clean truck. Ran through our shops, completed a 150-point inspection on it. It's ready to go. As you can see, it's got the blacked out rims on it, and it also has a leveling kit on this truck as well too. I'll give you a good shot of the rims and tires on this truck. Plenty of tread left on the tires. Tires are practically brand new. Got the nice chrome running boards at the bottom. No visible signs of any rust on the rocker panels on this truck. Super clean in the inside. No rips or tears in the seats in here. No cracks or fading in the dash. Carpet's very clean as well too. Again, this truck has completed a 150-point inspection on it. And we also put a 30-day warranty on everything that we sell as well too. Then we have extended warranties available if that's something that you're interested in. Here's a good shot of your back seat. Again, no stains in the seat, no rips or tears. Extremely clean truck inside and out. One more shot of your rims and tires back here. As you can see, you got plenty of tread left on the tires. This truck is equipped with a backup camera and a tow package. And you also have the nice spray and bed liner back there as well too. Super nice to have. We do have financing available with rates as low as 4.24. Show you your back seat one more time. No rips or tears back here. All right, of course, power windows, power locks. You have automatic lights on this truck. You also have a built-in trailer brake as well too. Truck is four-wheel drive. You're gonna have Bluetooth on this truck. As I mentioned earlier, you do have a backup camera. Super nice to have. Obviously cruise control as well too. Again, this is a 2017 Chevy Silverado. It's got a clean CARFAX on it, one owner. Super nice truck. If you have any questions on this truck, my name is Tim. Feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Thank you.